Okay, so now we're going to do day 2. We're going to do day 2 guided practice problems for midpoint. I'm going to do day 2. Okay, the formula for midpoint, I'm going to go ahead and write it at the top. I'm going to take the x's, add the x values of the endpoints together, and divide by 2. That's going to be your x coordinate. And I'm going to take the y's of the endpoints, add those together, and divide by 2. That's going to be your y coordinate of your endpoint, of your midpoint. This is the formula for midpoint. That's the midpoint formula. Okay. All right, so let's do number 1 together. We're going to do 1 and 2, and then you're going to do the other 4 on your own. So let's look at this first one, number 1. These are your endpoints here. So I'm going to write the ordered pairs for both endpoints. Your ordered pair for this endpoint here, start at the origin, you go over, -1, 2, 3, 4, -5. And then I go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this point down here is -5 and -5. Any questions about how I got this ordered pair or this endpoint, -5 and -5? Okay. Let's look at this endpoint here. This ordered pair, start from the origin, go over to the left 1, that's -1, and down 1 is also -1. So those are your 2 endpoints. -5, comma -5, -1, comma -1. And the point that's in the middle should be right in here. This should be the point that's in the middle. Well, let's check it and see. Okay? Please make sure that you show your work. We're going to add the x's together. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. So let's add the x's together. We got -5 plus a -1 divided by 2. That gives you your x coordinate. Add the y's together. -5 plus a -1 divided by 2 is going to give you the y coordinate. So this is going to be -6 divided by 2. And this is going to be -6 divided by 2. So your answer here is going to be a -3, comma, -3. Sorry, y'all. Didn't mean to do that. And that's what this ordered pair is right here. -3, 1, 2, 3, and down 1, 2, 3. This is this ordered pair here. This is the point that is in the middle. All right, so let's look at number 2. You're going to write the ordered pairs. The ordered pair for this point down here is +1, 2, and go down -1, 2. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So +2 and -5 is this ordered pair here. The point that's up here, the ordered pair, let's start at the origin, go to the left, -1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is -5, comma, and you're going up. So that's +1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So now you have your 2 ordered pairs. You have your 2 ordered pairs. You have -5, +5, 2, and -5. Doesn't matter which one you write first, okay? This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. Doesn't matter which one you write first in this case because you're just adding them together anyway and dividing by 2. So now I'm going to add the x's together. That's -5 plus 2 and divide by 2. Add the y's together. That's +5 plus -5 divided by 2. So on the top here, this gives me a -3 divided by 2. And on here, this gives me 0 divided by 2. So I can change this to a decimal. So this is going to give me a -1.5, comma, 0 divided by 2 is going to give me 0. So my middle point is going to be -1. So -1.5. So this is -1.5 is right in the middle, and 0. So this is this ordered pair right here. This is when it doesn't work out perfectly. Do you see that? This is the point that's in the middle. -1.5, comma 0. This is the point that's in the middle. Any questions about that? Okay. So now on your own, I want you to work on 3, 4, 9, and 10. Those are the ones that I want you to work on at this time. I'm going to pause. I want you to work on this. Do not leave until this is completed. I need you to work on this, please. If you have questions, please ask. I will unmute myself and come back and help you, okay?